on this edition of Off-Roading with the Rust Belt Boys. Behind me here is our 1974 Ford Bronco chassis here, 6-cylinder 200. We're putting the original motor here back in this truck here. Going back in, the whole truck was rotted out, but they only had 40,000 original miles. The original motor's going back in, original transmission, 3-speed on the tree, and the Atlas 20 transfer case. As you can see here, the detail level of the frame is excellent. We're leaving the motor a little patinaed, and it's going to all go back in here with this classic truck build. And it's going to be mated here pretty soon to the 3-speed transmission. We're going to take the flywheel and get that surfaced. So that's coming soon. Once we get the flywheel back, we can mount the transmission bell housing to the motor. And if you look at this early 6-speed or this early 6-cylinder Bronco here with a small little steering box here, manual steering. Even how small this engine is, does have a Dana 44 front end, which is unique. 9-inch rear end. Coming along here very good. Now let's check out the Buckeye Bronco here, and the wiring here is going on here. Mr. Rick there is having fun pulling what hair he has left out of his head.
Chasing all them remote start wires and everything in there. I had to take a break.
Now the remote start, this truck here, the customer bought every option possible for this, so it's got a lot going on with it. We're putting a 160 thermostat in this as well. That's what the dyno shop recommends. And that's race mod performance, right?
Yep.
Out of Alliance, Ohio, they'll dyno tune this. Yeah. So once this is running and driving here, we'll take it down to them and have it set up for the dyno tuner. Once this engine's tuned, it'll run really, really good. The response will be great.
Yeah, especially with this tranny, because they'll be able to pump the power up for it.
Yep, and we'll take this off-road too and let's see what happens. What do you think? Did I get all muddy?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, let's take it down through Youngstown. We'll film that.
Get her all muddy and then have to clean it.
Yeah, that's right. Pressure wash it, good to go. Now, the wiring here under dash is cleaned up pretty good here. Now the wiring here under the dash is being cleaned up here. We have a few more to go here to hook them up, and then it's going to be the dash be installed here. How to customize the dash because of this roll cage is inside here, supported on the kick panels here. Goes all the way around. Instead of mounted to the floor here where we go right here, it's going to the kick panel so you have more room to get in the vehicle. Really strong roll cage, full custom though. It's just going to be really badass when it's all put together. One of the services we offer at Rust Belt Off-Road is we also offer bed lining. This is a tinted bed liner to go with the color of the truck. It is a green Bentley color. Check it out here, it looks really good. We bed line this black underneath here. And we painted the engine compartment here the body color for the customer. And if you look at it, it looks really good. And it's going to go back on here shortly. So the fenders will go back on. It's going to go on the frame. So check out the engine compartment here. Looks very cool. So once this is done here, and we're going to denib a little bit of this, wet sand some of it, and buff it out here on the top. We're going to put the fenders back on, doors back on, and the customer will come here to have this set and level for their classic truck, and we offer that service here at Rust Belt Off-Road. Here in the Rust Belt Off-Road paint booth here, we are getting ready to paint this 1974 yellow Bronco here. Yellow is a very difficult color to paint, so this has to all be assembled, meticulously taped, and then painted. If we do not paint this together, yellow is going to show color changes on the panels if you spray it panel pieces. So very, very difficult, very, very transparent paint. We painted here this week, and next week we'll show to you the completed project here, painted in the correct factory color yellow. So look at the work here, look at the taping, and when you do custom yellow work like this, it adds up. So of course it costs a lot more money to spray this. Behind me here is a 1972 GMC Blazer here. What we're doing is we're doing the paint and body work on this truck here. Jeff's doing final panel alignments, and it'll be body work starting soon here, primer, sand, and paint. We're also bedlining this truck, so it's going to be pretty exciting here in the next couple months here at Rust Belt Off-Road as this is being done. For all your off-road needs, your classic car needs, your lift kits, your custom work, your custom paint work, give Rust Belt Off-Road a call, 330-533-4757, rustbeltoffroad.com.